Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so gonna make some. Yes, I'm gonna try to make some cocoa butter. These are all the ingredient things. You know, I'm gonna use this one, and this one. And we're gonna make our own lotion. So let's see. So I'm gonna take this container and put some of this Kokum. I don't know how to say it, but Kokum butter. Put 20. No. I'm gonna take the Shea butter and put 23 grams of this. I'm gonna weigh it out. Smells like nothing really. Play-Doh. Take a piece off until I get 23 grams. So that's 22, and that's that.
Why, hello, yo.
So this is 24. This is 24 grams of the Shea butter. Now we're gonna add the Kokum butter. This butter. So we're gonna add 28 grams of this. So this is 28 grams of the Kokum butter. I'm gonna put it in the Pyrex. And then now we have to measure out the oils that we're gonna put inside. Let me read it and I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some grape seed oil, 22 grams of this. And then this is the coconut oil. I'm gonna put 22 grams of this. Actually, no, scratch that. I'm just gonna use this oil, grapeseed oil, and this apricot kernel oil. Altogether, they're supposed to be, how much does it say? 57? 57 grams of oil. So I'm just gonna split the 3 oils up into a ratio that I want and put them all in. 4, 5, 10, 20. Should I just do 20? We'll do 25. This ain't gonna hurt anybody. Well, let's just say that's 25. Put some coconut oil in there.
That would add up to 57 grams.
So if I get to 37, then that's like 10 grams of this.
I should just use 15 and 15.
And then the rest has to be the apricot.
Yeah.
But I wanna, shoot, can you mark it down?
10 minus 2, 18 grams. God. Kernel.
All right, that's good. 57 grams of oils. And for the next part, we put all of these oils into this Pyrex cup and bring it over to the stove.
Did you wash this?
Yeah, of course. Bring it over to the stove, put the Pyrex in here, let it boil for like not boil, but like, you know, let it combine at a nice natural heat for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then we'll get to after that.
So what you guys want to do is make sure the oils bask in one another. You know what I'm saying? Bask. So what she means is we're gonna turn that flame on. We gonna put that whip it the Pyrex. Mix with the oils and all the ingredients. Pour it in. Yeah, pour it in. Gonna pour that milk in.
Get everything out because we did this for a reason, y'all. We measured it out for a reason.
Then you're gonna put your water on boiling temperature. Put your mix over.
Don't put it on boiling temperature. Put it on like 4.
Whatever. Boiling as long as it's melting. You know what I mean.
Mine's on 4 right now, so.
And then you're gonna naturally make the heat. Cook the oils. You know what I'm saying?
Naturally let the heat cook the oils. Just because there's light here. I just had it up higher because there's no light over there. And now we wait 20 minutes for this to get all... Actually, you know what? We don't gotta wait because we got...
I got a batch in there already.
So it's done being in the freezer for an hour-ish. 40 minutes to an hour, and now you just have to whip it. And this is when it starts to become cream.
That's when it becomes lotion.
All your stuff ready. We're gonna put in vitamin E. We can't really tell. And island coconut. All right, works. Fast or slow? Slow. Just want to take a little dollop of this, various little bits, just like a drop, so we can say it has vitamin E in it. And then like 2 drops of this. There we go. What's in the pot? We're so focused.
Yeah, this one smells different.
Put it in here. Super whipped.
That smells good. This one like Shea?
Yeah, I like this.
What's it?
This is gonna be nice.
Body lotion, but you probably use it for hair too. I can't wait to beat and use it now.
Yeah, this looks like whipped cream. Okay, that's probably all.
Yeah, you can whip yours and just like
Mine?
She did the nice little swirly swirly action. Okay, how did she make it look cute on the top? Mine just looks messy.
The little batter spreader thing that face
Spatula?
Yeah.
And voila, like DQ. It all fell out. I turned it up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the cream.
extra fluffy.
It just melts on. So shiny.
I want green.
That's nice.
This is nice. Oh, your videotaping it?
Yeah, yeah. Have to put it on the YouTube. Okay, so I know it's kind of hectic today. Whatever we were doing was hard to keep track of, but so yeah, we got to make 2 different kinds of Shea. I mean, well, 2 different kinds of creams. I never did this before, but this is how it turned out. We just put it in this little container. It's kind of overflowing, but if you want some cream during quarantine, you know where to get it. This one is, I don't even know what to call it yet. I haven't come up with a name. I don't know, I gotta come up for a name for it, so I'll probably put that in the description. The scent is like watermelon and like coconut island breeze or something like that. And then this one is you know that Palmer's cocoa butter that everybody loves? This one smells exactly like it, but with a hint of lemon. So they're really, really good. I would try them on. I should try them on, but you guys probably saw me do that all day. But anyways, some I'll put it on my skin and just show you guys how like nice and glistening it gets. Can you even tell? Probably not. See the sheen? So I'll put everything that I use in the description. I have it all on a piece of paper, you know. It's pretty easy to do. My oils are grapeseed, coconut, apricot, kernel oil, and I use Shea butter and some kind of Kokum butter. You guys saw it in the video. And then like Z made one, and his is made of cocoa and mango butter. He also has grapeseed, some really good oils in his, coconut oil, apricot oil, and this kui oil. So yeah, guys, that's what we did today. If you need some cream, hit me up, hit him up. Business coming soon. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.